Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. This time we're going to be making another video of Animal Company. Oh, look, a crowbar.
What can be possible?
We're going to be going to the planetarium. Here's my broccolis.
Oh, I forgot. We
I'm in
heaven now. I'm in heaven.
I'm in heaven.
Guys, I think
let's go back to the moon, Pug. Pug, let's go back to the moon.
I need to walk.
I can't.
Fun. Guys, look at my car, guys. Guys, who likes my car? Vroom, vroom.
Do everything.
Wait, where did my crowbar go? Someone took it.
Disappeared into the back rooms.
Let's go. Where's the easy way? Okay.
Hello, sir.
Hey! What are you doing?
No,
Dude!
bad boy.
What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do?
What are you trying to do?
Kids don't
You trying to kill me?
Don't listen. These kids are trying to make a video and then they just don't listen. Okay.
You'll never be able to get me. If I'm a red watch when I'm here. Who are you talking to? Everyone. Well, come to the portal. Doors.
Where is the lava map? 3, 2, 1, planetarium! Ah! Uh-oh. Okay. Okay. We're doing it.
It'd also really be insanely easy to find
Whoa!
because of your weight and your
Okay. Crowbar.
Did I kill him?
Okay. What's happening right now? She's not. I don't know. I don't know. Small broccoli. No, dude, let me go on that planet. Why this planet? Let me go on this planet, boy. Look how big the broccoli are. I already own these. I think I hear a spider. Oh, it's a spider! It's a spider! It's a spider! There's another spider? Oh, it's a mimic! It's a spider! It's a spider! Come here, boy. Oh no. Look how scary that thing looks. What the? Yeah, I died. Guys, where should we go to? Can someone bring me to the lava map? Can someone bring me to the lava map?
Wait, I gotta tell you something. This is the noise you make
I
when you
have
walk.
2 words. Suck it.
What do you
I
mean?
have 2 words.
You're a good
Suck
boy.
it.
Let's go to the moon!
Bro,
Yeah, you're allowed to go in, but this yellow guy isn't.
Ah, yellow guy, I touched you and I broke it.
There's literally no one here. Oh, car.
Oh, yes?
Guys, where should we go?
Yeah, cause he's annoying.
Oh, yeah, I
He,
forgot.
he keeps
wow,
saying he
look,
bugged
it's a
me,
hammer.
mother. So. Wow, guys, look. My big willy schlong.
What are you talking about?
This is my big willy schlong. Yellow.
What the? I'll go check my stash.
Yellow, what you
I'm
doing?
queso, bro. I'm queso.
Yellow.
I don't want this hammer. I don't want this
My golden
grappler.
ukulele.
Ukulele.
Yellow.
Oh, hammer.
Better change right now.
Wow.
A golden gun and a.
Ukulele, where'd you go?
Sir, you dropped your golden ukulele.
Come here
Dropped your golden
and fight me, boy.
ukulele.
Fight me.
You dropped your golden ukulele.
But fight me though.
You dropped your golden ukulele.
Give it.
Okay. Now I must play the drums.
How much research points do I have though? I'm bored. Guys, where should we go?
Giveaway this.
Guys, a giveaway with only hard guns.
Yeah.
They're doing a giveaway with only hard guns.
Hard guns? Ooh, Congo.
Stop! Stop!
Let me play the bongos.
What comes out?
I'm stuck.
Come on. Oh wait. Oh wait, watch this.
Hey, let me play.
In my hands.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, a hard gun.
I think my gun is about to die.
Whoever just spawned in hard guns, the hard guns keep falling back in your stash and coming out.
Flashlight.
Oh, that's better.
Oh god, I forgot. Whoa. Dude, look at all this.
I just need to be bigger. Yo.
It's mine!
No!
How am I not dead yet?
Give it!
Zero
Give
HP.
it! Give it! Give it!
I have 0 HP, bro.
Can I have it? Can I have that? Can I have that though?
Man.
Can I have
it.
a YouTube video?
Take it.
Who's that
Follow
going to be in the
me. Follow
YouTube?
me. Come up here. Come to the video.
Oh, look how cool this thing! Ah!
Join
Whoa!
code BEAN.
Eh.
Beat you.
No,
Beat
please!
you up.
No!
Beat you up.
No!
Enter.
I'm not taking damage either. It's because we're just heavy. That's why.
That's not fun. Bro, this guy's struggling.
Y'all want to see something cool?
I'm queso.
Bro's case.
You know I made a suitcase plushie?
A suitcase.
Don't give me a fan.
I am Missile Man! Hey, let me share the money, share the money, share the money. Yeah!
My wallet.
3,000?
Anyone my black backpack?
Spider-Man!
Anybody want my black heart gun?
Oh my god.
He died. He really died.
Nobody wants these?
Yo, hey, do you want this? Hey, do you want this? My Cloud Galaxy backpack.
Oh, when do I end?
Yo, I have
Everyone have 1 more minute.
I grabbed it.
I have no
Drop
six.
it.
Oh, frick.
Cool.
I
Everyone
grabbed
follow
it.
this
Mine to
spot.
me.
Does anybody want to go mining with me?
I do.
I will.
Alright,
I will.
we're gonna get
Me
some.
too. I'm gonna go too. I'm gonna go too. I'm gonna go. Let's go.
We're gonna go get some
I'm gonna go.
silver.
I'm gonna end the video.